Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to tutorial. And in this video, I want to show you how to recreate trending YouTube video thumbnails with vidIQ. Now, once you're inside of vidIQ, guys, vidIQ have an option that allows you to create YouTube thumbnails. And for this, you want to go to where it says create on the left hand side, click on thumbnails. Now, there's two ways how to go about doing this. I recommend that you either upload a YouTube thumbnail by simply clicking on where it says object. Once you do that, you can quickly upload an image or a thumbnail by clicking on that. It's going to open up your file explorer and you can upload a thumbnail. Alternatively, one of the ones that I really like to use is the reference. So you can click on reference and find a thumbnail that you like. So I'm going to go ahead and take, for example, AI as an example. Hit AI or type in AI and it's going to find an AI video for me. I can find something that is, let's say, trending, or let me try to find something, let's say AI tools, for example, and it will find something. So let's say I like this thumbnail here, right? And this thumbnail is something that I want to create this raw for. You can simply go ahead and click on the thumbnail, then click on continue, and it's going to use it as a reference. And you don't even have to put your title there. You can add your title to describe your title if you want, but you don't have to do anything like that. You can either choose to enter the text to describe your thumbnail for the idea and it's going to combine that with the reference, or you can leave it as is and click on create. And what's going to happen is that the vidIQ is going to use the reference to try to create a thumbnail for you. And you can see here it's currently trying to create. I've clicked on it a few times, but you will see that it's going to try to create YouTube thumbnail with the idea of the reference that I've given it. So as you can see, look at that, look how quick it is, guys. It used the same thumbnail that I've used as a reference to recreate something really cool. And that's super cool and super amazing, guys. So at any point in time you want to recreate a trending thumbnail from references, it's one of the easiest, one of the best way that you can create thumbnails using vidIQ. Very easy and very simple.